Shiba Inus are having a new day. In the last day or two, Shiba Inus have made a full recovery after days of collisions, absorbing the majority of the casualties. There has been jubilation. Nevertheless, today something really significant was brought to light. Recently, it appears that Coinbase and BlackRock have been engaging in a series of dubious actions. The value of billions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency is under scrutiny, but one expert has offered an alternative interpretation, suggesting that this might be the catalyst for Shiba Inu's price recovery. Why is this taking place? And I don't even know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'll try to clarify. Important notice, just a moment. Can you tell me what I'm looking at? The value of Shiba Inus is really going up. And lastly, despite everything that has happened, Shiba Inu appears to be heading in the right path, regaining all of its previous losses. How utterly absurd. Could this be it? I don't want to cast a spell, yet it seems like it could be the one. The growth may not be spectacular, but hey, progress is progress. After witnessing Shiba Inu stranded for so long, every prod is welcome. Plus, come on. Every rally has to begin somewhere, does it not? Could this be the start of something bigger? May the Shiba Inu be beginning to stir? Things might get interesting in the cryptocurrency market right now, given how unpredictable it has been recently. Hold on a second. I hate to be the one to ruin it, but we need to exercise some caution. Despite Shiba Inu's strength, one analyst noted that it is still circling a key resistance level. How it responds to this zone will determine whether it continues climbing or takes a step back. How unexpected yesterday was. Despite Bitcoin and other altcoin struggles, Shiba Inu was able to pull off a decent gain. Excitingly, it defied market trend, which happens rarely. When we step back, though, we can see that Shiba Inu numbers have dropped significantly over the last many weeks and months. Things become complicated at that point. Market analyst Paul Endio said that Shiba Inu has been going through a rough patch due to factors like slow network expansion and a lack of interest from major investors. Further worrying, he said, is a pattern in the charts that may indicate further decline in the event that things do not improve quickly. Not only that, but recent reports indicate a decline in on-chain activity for Shibarium, further exacerbating the problem. At this very moment, this price level is the center of attention. Price action approaching this month's highs is possible if Shiba Inu maintains its current level of strength. Things might become ugly and another decline could be on the horizon if that support goes. So, although this rally is thrilling, we will have to wait to see what happens next. This small pump, though, is a welcome change for everyone. Although it isn't the largest increase, it is encouraging considering the recent volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Now we get to the wild phase. This little increase has still allowed many investors to turn a profit. Regarding this, one analyst divulged some incredibly intriguing details. There was a time when just little more than a third of Shiba Inu owners were making money, although most were still losing money. In spite of the current state of the economy, that figure has increased by tens of thousands since then. The fact that more people are making money now than they were last year is evidence that Shiba Inu is more profitable overall. The percentage of suffering wallets has actually decreased, but there are still many of them. That's significant. What this signifies is that the Shiba Inu is holding its own better than before, despite everything that has happened. It may not be a full-blown rally just yet, but it's definitely moving in the right way, so keep an eye on it. But you may be asking, what the fuck is happening? For what reason has the price movement been so erratic as of late? Alright, let's take a broad view for a while. Coincidentally, Bitcoin is also trending in the same direction. It has been making a little comeback today, nearly recouping its losses and maintaining a steady price range. Things become intriguing, though, at this point. The source of the recent volatility in Bitcoin prices has been exposed by one analyst. To everyone's amazement, it's Coinbase. The crypto industry's leading cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, is subject to constant scrutiny for its price fluctuations. However, something out of the ordinary has been occurring recently. According to crypto quant CEO Kai-Young Ju, are the large Coinbase users who have been the primary force behind the recent price fluctuations. The volume of trades conducted on Coinbase increased dramatically within the past week. That has exacerbated the recent volatility in Bitcoin. This is where things get really out of hand. Jew's research claims that there is a wider distribution of Bitcoin ownership than is often believed. Bitcoin was purchased by large organizations and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for a substantially higher price than what Binance traders were able to purchase. Meanwhile, some of the first Bitcoin investors, known as miners and long-term holders, purchased the cryptocurrency at what appears to be incredibly low rates when compared to the current market value. In this market, some purchasers are selling their Bitcoin while others are keeping theirs. This is due to the diverse range of Bitcoin holdings among buyers. The actions taken by Bitcoin have a domino effect on the entire cryptocurrency market, so it's not surprising that altcoins like Shiba Inu are responding in their own unique ways. The price of Shiba Inu may appear to be moving in a random fashion, but it is actually related to the larger crypto market dynamics. Regarding Coinbase, there is more. A huge move was just made by BlackRock, it turns out, selling a substantial quantity of Ethereum and Bitcoin in the span of 1 hour. And now there is a great deal of conjecture. The world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, allegedly moved a huge stack of Bitcoin and Ethereum directly into its Coinbase account, a development that has piqued the interest of crypto traders and institutional investors. In a very brief period of time, a transfer of almost 1,800/80 Bitcoin, valued at around $44 million, and almost 1,800 Bitcoin worth over $160 million occurred. This brings up some very important concerns. Is BlackRock increasing its bets on cryptocurrency, shifting client funds, or laying the groundwork for something more substantial? As of right now, no one knows for sure, but actions like this usually have a purpose. With a move of this magnitude, the market may soon witness some captivating events. No one can deny that this is either a typical shuffle or an indication of something more significant on the horizon. The whole cryptocurrency community takes notice of actions taken by large corporations like BlackRock. The Shiba Inu is just one of several breeds that could be impacted by the market's future development. On the plus side, Coinbase accomplished something huge today, a big alliance that will simplify purchasing and selling cryptocurrency. Coinbase and Onboard Global have recently established a partnership to provide safer and more convenient cryptocurrency trading for Nigerians. For such a rapidly expanding sector, this is a massive step forward. Thanks to this agreement, Coinbase wallet customers in Nigeria may now purchase cryptocurrency through a trustworthy seller network using their native currency. Also, both businesses have pledged to adhere to all rules and laws while continuing to prioritize customer needs. Partnerships such as these have the potential to pave the way for even greater things to come in the ever-changing crypto industry. This kind of activity shows that the industry is moving forward, which is promising for Shiba Inus and the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Given recent events surrounding Coinbase, this may prove to be a pivotal moment for Shiba Inu. Massive Bitcoin and Ethereum transactions, developments involving major entities like BlackRock, and Coinbase's new alliance are all building up to a monumental moment for the whole cryptocurrency market. Oh, and you know what? Among the most likely beneficiaries of this situation is the Shiba Inu. Let me explain why this is so big. Many significant cryptocurrency transactions are currently taking place at Coinbase. A chain reaction ensues as a result of the unexpected uptick in Bitcoin trading, the participation of institutions, and the opening of new markets to crypto accessible. Every market moves in response to Bitcoin's price change. In addition, Shiba Inus have a history of trailing behind large rallies. Consider that for a moment. With more and more companies like Coinbase and Onboard Global working to make cryptocurrency more accessible, its popularity could continue to rise. Additional individuals will begin to enter the market. Meme coins like Shiba Inu will experience more liquidity, excitement, and attention as a result. This has happened previously. Shiba Inus don't merely rise